Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to securely store your API keys using Hugging Face secrets, so you can safely use them in your spaces or projects without exposing them publicly. When working with Hugging Face spaces, especially those built with Gradio or Streamlit, you often need to access APIs like OpenAI, GROQ, or custom backend services. But hard-coding your API keys into your scripts is a big no-no. That's where Hugging Face secrets come in. I'm using GROQ API for this example. If you're not sure how to create an API key on GROQ, don't worry. I've covered it step by step in a previous video on my channel. Go check that out first if you need help. Once your API key is generated in GROQ, simply copy the key. We'll now move to Hugging Face to store it securely. I've already opened one of my previous projects on Hugging Face. Here's how to add the secret. Go to the Files section, then click on the Settings tab. Now scroll down until you see the Variables and Secrets section. Click on New Secret. Here, give your secret a name. Make sure this name exactly matches the one you're using in your code. Then, paste your API key in the value field and hit Save. That's it. Your key is now stored safely. Now you can access the key in your code like this, earlier. This method keeps your API key safe and hidden from the public. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the full tutorial on creating your GROQ API key in the previous video. Thanks for watching.